Hello and welcome to this video on how to default the codes on a Pyronix Enforcer. Wasn't going to show these videos, but now the information's widely available on the internet and you just need to Google it to find it out, so it's not really a security issue as such anymore. So the first thing we need to do is see if the original codes work, because you don't want to be resetting the code for nothing. So try 4 ones, 4 nines, see if they work, and if it doesn't, then you need to reset your code. So how do we go about this then? Well, first of all, we power down the system. And we're going to need to get ourselves something to shut out the pins on the back. Become apparent later. But if you get one of these little jumpers here, which you can get from the PIR, which is, just have a look over here, just these little pins you get here. Just nick one of them out of a PIR for a bit. It'll come apparent later in the video. And obviously you need a screwdriver, just undo your panel. So first you need to locate your retention screws. Obviously mine's a demo kit, yours should be on the wall, I hope. So undo these 2 screws and lift the flap here. Obviously it's going to go into tamper. I have a little switch on the side of mine with being a demo kit, so I'm going to turn it off so I'm not deafening everyone throughout the video. Obviously yours will still be alarming at this point. You need to remove the battery retention screw right here. And disconnect your battery clip. Obviously your beeping will stop at this point. So what we have here then is, obviously I have this extra bit here, you don't have that because again it's a demo kit. So you need to remove this ribbon here, which is for your little board there, and the other one which is for your Wi-Fi module. You can then proceed to remove the power cable if you wish. Doing that will obviously mean you can take it away to the table. It doesn't make a difference to me, so I'm going to leave it in place because obviously that cable for the demo switch is in the way. But doing that will let you take it away. If you look here, you see you got your pins. Count across 5 pins from the right hand side on the bottom layer. It's easy if that's where you want to put your little knock there. So if you just count them across with your screwdriver, there you have it. You want to put your pin between 5 and 6 on the bottom row, like that. So you got 4 at one side, 2 at the other. Obviously it's on the uppermost row there. And just reconnect your battery. And you can just seal your battery back in by doing up your screw. And just leave that loose for now. Just obviously the fins in the way. Flip it back over and apply power. As soon as you see the clock here, what you want to be doing when the clock comes on is hitting your yes button, and your alarm will go off for exactly a minute. Obviously you can cover your speaker with your hand just to make it that little bit quieter so it doesn't deafen you for the whole minute. Then your minute's up, it'll stop and drop into the engineers menu. So this is it now in the engineers menu. So if you keep hitting no until you find codes and users, followed by yes. Hit yes again on that first one, no to that, no to change to S code. Yes if you're wishing to change your manager's code at this point. I'm going to just set this to 919191. Yes, big my areas. Decide whether you want to set or unset, if you're using a name. Just going to leave that blank for now. No again goes to change engineer code. I'm going to set it to 2580. Oops, sorry, press the wrong button there. 2580, yes. So now my engineer code is 2580. So if I hit no and then A to save the settings, come back out, and 9191 should be my master code, which it is. And 2580, hang on, let me just leave the menu, sorry, 2580, that is now my engineer's code and puts me straight into the engineer's menu. Next one I'm going to do then is obviously remove my pin that I inserted. Just give that a little flick with the screwdriver and that'll come straight out. Then reattach the board ribbon. Reattach the Wi-Fi module. Once you reset it, should clear the Wi-Fi module fault. Mine isn't set up, so it will remain in fault once I've done. Obviously I haven't done so already. Resecure your battery. Place it back in its bracket. And redo up your retention screws. So at this point, if you've got faults you can't get rid of or you're wanting to factory default it, you need to go back into your menu and go across to Clean Start. Clean Start code is 2000 or 2020. And then it asks you what you want to do. So it's been clear, you can clear your Wi-Fi, clear all your codes, clear the log, or you can just exit the menu if you don't want to do anything. And that is you done there. Once it's finished saving, it should have factory defaulted if you've deleted both of them. And that is it. Your codes are all reset and you're back to normal. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.